And we're back. This is Dr. Jason Kennedy. Welcome to the third in this series, Jason's French Fast. If you have missed any previous lessons, you might want to look for the link down below. With me again are my two French friends Claire and Jacques. Now, get ready to speak in French out loud. Don't just think it, speak it. This lesson is days of the week. Let's go. Here in our cartoon world, today is Saturday. Here is how to say Saturday.
Samedi.
Here is, are you going out Saturday?
Sortez-vous samedi?
Ask, are you going out Saturday?
Sortez-vous samedi?
Do you remember from lesson 1 how to say, sit down?
Asseyez-vous.
Ask, are you going out Saturday?
Sortez-vous samedi?
How about Friday?
Vendredi.
Say, Friday.
Vendredi.
Here is how to ask, are you going out Friday?
Sortez-vous vendredi?
Ask, are you going out Friday?
Sortez-vous vendredi?
From lesson 2, say, speak louder, please.
Parlez plus fort, s'il vous plaît.
Here is, on Fridays.
Le vendredi.
And here is, do you work on Fridays?
Travaillez-vous le vendredi?
Ask, do you work on Fridays?
Travaillez-vous le vendredi?
Ask, are you going out on Friday?
Sortez-vous vendredi?
Say, open your book, please.
Ouvrez votre livre, s'il vous plaît.
Here is, Thursday.
Jeudi.
Say, Thursday.
Jeudi.
Ask, are you going out Thursday?
Sortez-vous jeudi?
Ask, do you work on Saturdays?
Travaillez-vous le samedi?
Listen. Here is, Wednesday.
Mercredi.
Say, Wednesday.
Mercredi.
Say, are you going out Wednesday?
Sortez-vous mercredi?
Now, Tuesday.
Mardi.
Ask, are you going out Tuesday?
Sortez-vous mardi?
Ask, do you work on Tuesdays?
Travaillez-vous le mardi?
Travaillez-vous le mardi?
Here is, Monday.
Lundi.
Ask, are you going out Monday?
Sortez-vous lundi?
And finally, here is, are you going out Sunday?
Sortez-vous dimanche?
Sortez-vous dimanche?
Ask, are you going out Sunday?
Sortez-vous dimanche?
Excellent. You may notice that here in Lesson 3, I still ask you to say phrases from Lessons 1 and 2. That's because I don't want you to forget what you learned then. Don't be shy about repeating lessons when you need to. Be sure to click the subscribe link to subscribe to this channel so you can be notified when there are new lessons. Also, check out the links down below for more information and learning tools. See you next time for Lesson 4.